In this video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. My wife showed me a book that she had, and it was a sticker book from her childhood. You can see here, I think at the front was a picture of her or somebody, her friends, and there's a post sticker on the top. But if we look inside, there's some cool vintage stickers from the 80s. We have Donald Duck and a Gremlin sticker. I remember these stickers. I think I had a couple of those. And then also we have the booklet, and she told me some stickers that she had in here. It would have been cool if they were still in there. I think she said she took them out because they were all lost their stickiness and fell out, so she just threw them out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of all of the stickiness on these pages, and I thought it'd be fun to perhaps put stickers in there that were from around the same era. So these are probably these stickers here I think are 1984, 85. And these ones here that I've been opening, these are the Garbage Pail Kids stickers. And here's the second pack here, and I have the first pack. I'm not sure where it is, but I think it's upstairs. But I thought it'd be fun to maybe clean this up and then put these stickers in here. I don't think I'm going to stick them in here, but there's some a cover here where you could put them inside. So I thought I would just slip them in here, and it'd be cool to keep this sticker book that my wife had and keep it in my collection. Of course, cleaning this is going to require some Zippo lighter fluid. I do have some stickiness inside this little piece here, and of course I want to clean all that out, so I'm going to have to clean that inside part, but most of it is just stuck on the outside, and it's keeping the pages stuck together. So I'm going to take some lighter fluid and begin cleaning all of this plastic, and we'll do that quickly, and then we'll put our stickers in this and see how it looks. Okay, it's the next day and it seems like everything is dry here. That looks much better. I'm able to flip through these without them sticking together. And we've got a clean book to put my stickers in now. The front of it, I put the sticker in this little holder here. This is the picture that's on the front of the pack, so I thought it would be cool to put the actual sticker in there, which I did get in these two packs. So I'm going to fill this with the stickers and we'll reveal it at the end. Here's our sticker book. We have the stickers in there and the original one. Got Donald Duck, Cruisin' Susan, Racy Lacey, Slop Top Todd, 12 o'clock high, Tim Can. I actually like that one. C6 Cecil. That's a pretty good one too, actually. Fertile Myrtle. One Night Stand. I'm a musician, so that's obviously one that I love too. Ronnie knows. And then the sticker packs. So, and I still have more left over for any more that I do get. And in the back, my favorite is this Gremlin sticker. And on the back, there's actually the back cover. There is a sticker here that Sarah must have colored on her own with some marker and some pencil crayon, and it's super cool. I remember having these as a kid, and I had Series 1 and some of Series 2 at the time, and I would love to get those. I know they're highly collectible, and most people want those ones, but I know they're remaking them too, so that's really cool. So hopefully I can find some more eventually. So thanks for watching this episode of Toysbackzen. Let me know your favorite Garbage Pail Kids sticker, either that I have here or your all-time favorite from all of the stickers they produced. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.